Hi, I'm Tom Brady, a Student Experience Manager at the University of London, and I would like to tell you about our new online student societies. In a campus university environment, one of the main ways in which students interact with one another is through societies. From politics and debate through to sport and the arts, societies allow students to meet and connect with like-minded people who share their interests, giving them a focus outside of their academic endeavours. In the context of the University of London, where students are spread throughout the world, studying online or via a teaching centre, this poses a different challenge. With that in mind, the idea of creating online student societies has been of interest to the Student Experience team for some time. Having a platform for you to make online connections with your fellow students is key to building the sense of community and shared experience that we know you value. The development process underpinning all of this was informed by student feedback. Following extensive research and planning, the first two University of London online societies are now live, the Student Book Club and the World Recipe Society. We've already had many students visit the book club, voting on which books they would like to read and posting about their favourites, and there have been some great recipes that have been uploaded as well. These are places of discussion and interaction, and they're open to all University of London students. The launch of these online societies will be followed by further additions in the coming weeks and months. Hosted within the student portal and accessible via the Study Support tab, we hope that you will make use of our online society provision and be able to connect, form friendships and explore your common interests wherever you are in the world and however you study with the University of London. So what are you waiting for? Check out the online student societies today on the student portal.